3, 2, 1.
In the late 1600s, Anton van Leeuwenhoek began making observations with simple magnifying lenses that he constructed. To which scientific field is Leeuwenhoek credited with the most contributions? The answer is D. Microbiology. What is the medical term for a broken blood vessel under the eye? The answer is B. Purpura. What is often used for writing as legs and can rock you to sleep? The answer is A. Rocking chair. Which unit measures atmospheric pressure? The answer is C. Bar. What is the only seven-summit mountain not in a continent? The answer is A. Mauna Kea. Who is the Roman goddess of marriage and childbirth? The answer is B. Juno. What's long and yellow that you bang on a drum? The answer is C. A snare drum. Who is the first director of the Atomic Lab at Los Alamos, New Mexico? The answer is B. J. Robert Oppenheimer. What is the unit of information storage in a CD or DVD? The answer is C. Gigabit. Who developed the theory of Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theory? The answer is B. Sigmund Freud. In 1968, which British coin was introduced to replace the 10-shilling note? The answer is D. 50 pence. The Three Sisters are a part of which mountain range in Oregon, USA? The answer is D. Cascades. What is the speed limit for electromagnetic waves in a vacuum called? The answer is A. Light velocity. Who is the Greek philosopher known as the father of Western philosophy? The answer is C. Aristotle. Belarus is a country in Eastern Europe. The name relates to Russia. What is the proper translation? The answer is B. White Russia. What is the outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere called? The answer is A. Exosphere. What is the average lifespan of chihuahuas? The answer is B. 8-18 years. What is the first-person shooter released by Bungie in 2001? The answer is A. Halo. What is a soccer player's protective headgear called? The answer is B. Helmet. What are the only two landlocked countries in South America? The answer is C, Bolivia and Paraguay. What is a chef's knife used for? The answer is A, chopping vegetables, which shows a change from potential energy to kinetic energy. The answer is D, an orange dropping from a tree. What is the unit of magnetic field strength? The answer is A, Tesla. What tool is used to cut a straight line on a surface? The answer is D, cutter. Which British alternative band takes its name from a character from To Kill a Mockingbird? The answer is B, the Boo Radleys. What of these was the last movie Sean Connery made? The answer is C, The League of Extraordinary Gentlemen. What is the world's deepest freshwater lake? The answer is B, Lake Tanganyika. Who holds the record for fastest 100m sprint? The answer is A, Usain Bolt. The coldest temperature ever recorded was in which city? The answer is C, Vostok Station, Antarctica. Which utensil is used to flip pancakes or omelets? The answer is A, fork. What is the product of 5 and 7? The answer is B, 35. What is the basic chemical building block of matter? It is the simplest chemical substance. The answer is C, element. Who wrote Moby Dick? The answer is C, Herman Melville. What is the last book in the Hunger Games trilogy? The answer is A, Mockingjay Part 2. Which celestial object rotates on its axis once every Earth day? The answer is C, Earth. What does the first name of actor Keanu Reeves mean? The answer is B, the coldness. What is the economic concept that describes the extent to which the quantity demanded of a good or service responds to a change in its price? The answer is B, elasticity. What type of governmental control has Iraq established? The answer is C, parliamentary republic. Which of the following Swedish twin pairs are not ice hockey players? The answer is C. Andreas and Thomas Ravelli. Who developed the theory of psychoanalysis? The answer is B. Sigmund Freud. What type of rocks are laid down horizontally with the oldest at the bottom? The answer is D. Sedimentary. Which popular sitcom is about a family living in the 90s? The answer is C. Full House. What is the basic chemical compound that table salt is composed of? The answer is D. Sodium chloride. What state occurs when the amount of solute dissolved exceeds the solubility? The answer is D. Supersaturation. Humidity is the amount of what vapor in the air? The answer is D. H2O. An example of a fossil is the bones of what kind of animal? The answer is D. Wiped out. What simple machine consists of two connected rings or cylinders, one inside the other, which both turn in the same direction around a single center point? The answer is A. Wheel and axle. Queen Elizabeth II attended Prince William and Catherine Middleton's wedding wearing a dress and accompanying overcoat designed by Angela Kelly. What color were they? The answer is B. Yellow. What type of biomass are found in the salt water of the ocean? The answer is B. Marine. What team of animators is responsible for most of the Saturday morning cartoons?